So, this is our video for the wild bird seed. This is our cue card. Things to remind ourselves of what we gotta ask. Does
Okay.
it bring the birds back? Is there a 2-for-1 deal, which includes a wild bird? Does it bring the bunnies too? Do I get my money back if the shit doesn't work? And do the birds go swoosh swoosh and try to poke my eyes out? And then the ever so famous high five. Smiley face.
Okay, here we go with bird seed part 3.
Take 3. And go.
Yes, I need to talk to somebody about wild bird seed, please. Thank you.
They got a shittier beep.
Yeah, their beef's shorter. They're getting cheaper and cheaper as we go. Yes, I need to ask somebody about wild bird seed.
Bird seed?
Yeah, bird seed, like the stuff you throw on the ground and the birds come swoosh swoosh, you know?
Uh-huh.
Okay, so I'm really tired of winter, so if I buy some winter or some wild bird seed, will it bring the birds back?
Oh, maybe it's time to answer that.
Okay. She transferred me to answer that question.
Let her superiors answer.
They get better. President Walmart. Kmart. Whatever. Fucking 8:12 in the morning. And we're calling about bird seed. Oh, I need my cue card.
She had to go ask her superiors. That's how it worked.
I don't think she knows this. We have 4 more questions after this for the year.
We got 4 more transfers.
Seriously?
She's reading the bag.
We read the bag and then wild birds come back, wild birds come back.
Sir, we do have bird food. Yes, if you throw it out there, they will come eat it.
Okay, so is there a do you guys offer a 2-for-1 deal?
No.
Like you don't offer it like I'd buy like a bag of wild bird seed and get like a wild bird for free?
No.
Okay. So does it bring bunnies too? Like can bunnies eat it?
Please hold on, sir.
Okay, thank you. She was reading the bag again.
She's probably laughing right now. She's got a thick intermission.
Hold on, sir.
So it's transfer every other question.
I hope she knows we still have 2 more questions after that.
And a high five.
Yeah, and a high five.
You gotta ask her name.
Yeah, I know.
Forgot that on the cue card. Oh, Jesus Christ.
Just reading the bag, buddies, buddies, buddies. Fuck, we don't carry that shit.
Where the fuck's the bunnies? No, the bunnies don't come back. Fuck.
Walmart. Walmart offers that.
This bitch is looking hard.
She's reading ingredients. She's trying to find something on bunnies.
I can't answer that question because all the texts, I don't see one text say, well, girls won't eat it. So I didn't see anything about a bunny.
Oh, so the bags just say squirrels, nothing about bunnies?
No, it doesn't say anything about squirrels. I mean bunnies.
Oh, okay. Alright, so, do you guys offer a money back on that? So, like, if I buy it and the wild birds don't come back, can I bring it back to you guys to get my money back?
Yes, sir.
Oh, you do? Alright.
Whenever you're not satisfied with a product, you have the option of returning.
Alright, sweet, because I love the part where I stand out in the yard and hold the bird seed in my hand, and the birds are like, swoosh, swoosh, and they almost peck my eyes out. It's awesome.
Oh,
It's
okay.
it's so cool. Okay, so what is your name? Because I want to give you a high five next time I come in.
My name is Donna.
Donna? Okay, thank you, Donna. Be ready for a high five coming your way, sister.
Okay, you have a good day.
You too, sister. Bye.
Bye-bye.
Yes! We nailed that one. She had to read the bag a few times, but we got it. Donna, you were good. You were good. You held in there like a real trooper. Answered all of our questions.